Today, let's wind up the chapter that is triangle and its angles of ninth class. Here are the last two questions. The question is the angle formed by the internal bisector of a triangle and the bisector of its exterior angle is half of the vertical angle. Okay, if I read this question, you may confuse. Sure. If I draw a figure for this, very simple. So it's a triangle we have. First of all, let's draw a triangle. Let's name it ABC. Let me extend up to D. Okay, as per the question, the angle between the internal bisector of one base angle. In this triangle, we have two base angles, that is B and C. One base angle. So I am taking this angle, I am bisecting it. Okay. I bisected one of the base angle of the triangle ABC. And external bisector of other base angle. External bisector. External bisector. This is the internal angle. This is the external. Of course, this is the exterior angle of the triangle. So this angle, that is ACD, to be bisected. I am bisecting. Okay. Both are meeting at E. Okay. So B is one of the base angle and this is external bisector of other interior angle. Of course, exterior angle. Question is, you have to prove that BEC, that is this angle, is half of this A angle, that is vertical angle. We know this is vertical angle, these two are the base angle of the triangle. That is the question. So I mark here 1, 2. Of course, this is also 1, 2. The total angle is bisected by this bisector CE. The total angle B is bisected by BE, since each are equally measured 1, 1 for our convenience I mark it. So what is given in the question? Triangle ABC and BC is produced to D. BC extended to D and also BE and CE are the bisectors of angle B and angle ACD. Angle B and angle ACD. Don't mention here angle C. Angle C means we may have two, that is ACB and also ACD. Clearly write here which angle is bisecting by CA, that is ACD, that is the exterior angle. So this is the given part. So what is RTP? What to be proved? You have to prove that angle E is equal to half of A. The measure of angle is equal to half of A. We prove. First, let's take the triangle given ABC, for which ACD is the exterior angle. Okay. In triangle ABC, angle ACD is the sum of angle A plus angle B, because this is exterior angle. We have this in 7th class. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior angles. Is equal to, since total ACD is bisected by CA, I write here half of angle ACD is equal to half A plus half B. Okay. What is half of B? 1. So in the place of B, I write 1 in the next step. Therefore, half ACD is equal to half A plus angle 1. This is the first statement. Okay? Clear? Half B is equal to 1, I mark. Now I take this triangle. Which triangle? BCE. In triangle BCE, what is the exterior angle of the triangle BCE? ECD. Angle ECD is equal to 1 plus angle E. Angle 1 plus angle E. What is ECD? By marking 2. Therefore, angle 2 is equal to angle 1 plus angle E. This is second statement. Here also half of ACD. Half of ACD. What is the half of ACD 2? Instead of half of ACD, I mark here 2. I mark here 2. So, half of ACD is nothing but 2. So, here I write angle 2 is equal to. So, I got two statements for angle 2. The first one, angle 2 is equal to half A plus 1. The second statement, angle 2, the same angle is half plus E. I make them, these two are equal from 1 and 2. From 1, angle 2 is equal to half A plus 1. So, half A plus angle 1 is equal to from 2, angle 2 again, angle 1 plus angle E. What does it mean? Half A is equal to E. Or angle E is equal to half of angle A, that is the vertical angle of the triangle. That is question we proved. So very simple. The statement seems to be very confusion. If we draw a diagram suitably to the condition given with peace of mind, answer is very simple. And here is one more, the last question. After this question, next class onward we start the quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals, there are very important questions, and of course I don't say easy questions but important questions. Next question, and the last question of this triangle and its angles. Read the question. Okay, I read it. Side BC of triangle is produced to D, that means extended, and the vertical angle of the triangle ABC is bisected by AL, and you have to prove that we know what to show. So I draw the diagram for the condition given. So it is clearly said that we have a triangle ABC. ABC. We have triangle ABC, where the first statement BC is produced to D. Okay? And the bisector of angle A. So this is the bisector I am drawing. It's meeting BC at L. Okay? Since angle A is bisected by AL, I mark here both are equal 1 and 1. Both are equally measured. So the question is ABC, this angle, and ACD, the exterior angle, is 2 times of this ALC. That you have to prove. Okay? Directly we don't write given and RTP and prove. Directly we solve. In triangle ABC, We know this ACD is the exterior angle. Angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Since both are equal, I write 2 times of 1 in the place of A. Right? So, angle ACD is equal to 2 times of angle 1 plus angle B. Why? AL bisects angle A. That is the reason I mentioned the bracket. This is the first statement. Okay. Now I take this triangle, that is ABL. 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 For ABL, ALC is the exterior angle. This is the exterior angle. And this is the sum of B and 1. Okay. In triangle ABL, its exterior angle is ALC. See, here also we have ALC. Angle ALC is equal to angle B plus angle 1. Okay. Since in the question we have 2 times of ALC, we multiply this expression by 2. So, multiply by 2. Which side? Both the sides. So, 2 times of ALC is equal to 2 times of B minus 2 times of, so plus 2 times of 1. This is the second statement. Okay. Now I subtract first from the second. From the second. Okay, from the second, I copy the first. Let me write. So, ACD is equal to 2 times of angle 1, I write under this, plus angle B. The operation is subtraction. Okay. What I get? I get the same 2 times of ALC minus ACD. 2 times of angle ALC minus angle ACD. Okay, you know the change of the signs. Plus 2 times of angle 1 minus 2 times of angle 1. Plus 2 times of B minus B. I remain with angle B. Okay, angle B. What is angle B in the question? Angle ABL. Angle ABC. Always. Okay, I write angle ABC because here we have ABC. I name this angle B as ABC in my next step here. 2 times of ALC minus ACD is equal to angle B. Angle B is nothing but angle ABC. Since we have ABC, I write ABC. C. Okay. Now, if I transpose this minus ACD to RHS, it becomes plus ABC. So, 2 times of angle ALC is equal to angle ABC plus angle ACD. Is it true or not? See, ABC plus ACD. ABC plus ACD is equal to 2 times of ALC. Okay. To solve geometry questions, you must have patience. You must have patience first, not the knowledge. You sit patiently to look at the diagram in such a way, by using all the concepts you learned till now, you get away. So there is no fixed formula, fixed method to find the solution of the geometrical questions. I remind you. I said once. So it depends on how you look the diagram, how you look the question. So the geometry questions are very, very important to bring out your hidden skills. The way how you approach the question is very important. Is tested only in geometry. No other branch of mathematics. So this is the end of triangle and its properties.